How to open account on Discover Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Discover Bank Sign Up. Head over to the very first site, Join Discovery Bank. It will land you on its official page. Tap on Login at the top of the screen, and then you will land on the page. You can see the option of Register. Click on it. Now you have to enter some of the information. If you have the SAID number, enter it in this section and then click on Next. If not, enter the passport number and then tap on Next. Follow the on-screen process, enter all the detailed information that has been asked, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.